Hello children, I am your school counselor Miss Minakshi. I am going to talk about your feelings about coronavirus or COVID-19 and also some easy ways to handle them. First of all, we must express and communicate our feelings. Discuss the different feelings that you are experiencing, like feeling of butterflies in your tummy or even feeling of pain in your head, or if you're feeling angry, if you're feeling crazy or irritable. These are all normal reactions to an abnormal situation like COVID. Smart children like you can do a lot of things to keep yourself and others safe. For example, I believe you're all are engaging in social distancing, and which means standing further away from your friends and family, avoiding large crowds, not touching people if they do not need to, etc. So I'm sure that you are also following some good sanitizing practices and good health behaviors, such as covering coughs and sneezing with the elbow and washing your hands. So I'm going to show you today why these healthy behaviors are important by showing you one experiment. You need a bottle of colored water and you need a plain paper. So what we are going to do, we'll just spray this. So if a person sneezes and you're close enough, so see what happens. You get all the germs, so it's better to maintain a safe distance. Also, you can try out one experiment at home. Show you the importance of washing hands for 20 seconds. So put a small amount of glitter in your hand and wash them with just plain water for a period of 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and after that you can see how much glitter remains on your hands. Now repeat this and wash your hands with glitter all over. Wash it for 20 seconds slowly using soap and water, so you can see the difference that it is all cleaned. I am going to show you one more thing which you can do at home. This is a simple stick, and you can paste it with different pieces of paper on this. So this is something which you can easily make at home, and this is basically talking about your affirmations. So the affirmations refer to self statements which we can easily make using some nice thoughts. We can think about ourselves like I am the best, or today what I am going to do to keep myself busy and happy. So this I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6 petals are here, and on the 6 petals there are different days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday and Saturday. You can leave out Sunday if you like, because I've already told you that you need not do things to a perfectionist level, so you can always cut it out from the point of your duration. This is on Monday I have written, I do not allow anyone's words to spoil my day. So if someone says something bad or you have a fight with your sibling, so you do not need to feel bad because you have written this affirmation on your affirmation flower. And this is second day of the week is Tuesday. I have written, I will express myself clearly today. So this is what you can make to cheer yourself up, and these are some techniques of coping with stress which I have made in the form of, I've taken a plain cardboard and I have stuck these circular sheets on it, and it contains all different types of coping techniques which I can use to deal with all those feelings which I have discussed, your feelings of the butterflies in your tummy, or feeling strange and feeling angry or sad. So you can read them and try them out. One of them I'll read for you. Take a break. Breathe deeply, sit back and relax, do something you love, read a good book, change your surroundings. Also, I have on this circle I have written stretch, stand up and reach up, neck stretch, roll your head one side, half circle. So these are the kind of things you can do at home to keep stress at bay. And all the best trying these out, and have a nice time. Bye.